What's going on, guys? So today in this video I'm going to be giving you a little tour of a beginner, I don't even want to say mechanic because I'm the furthest from a mechanic, just a beginner kind of novice mechanic, I guess. Start off with my box here. This is a Us.general Harbor Freight mechanics tool cart. It's in white. I think it looks really good. I love the white, and yeah, so let me kind of show you what I'm like working out of. This is a 2-car garage. I have my Speed 3 here, and then my dad's Miata there. They're both put away for the winter. More videos to come on this car. I know you guys haven't seen it in a while, but there's been a lot of stuff done to it and updates to be made. Let's just jump right into it. So on the top of the cart here, I have my sockets. So deep well, impact, Husky Sockets. These are deep well chromies from Walmart. These are Husky, just a nice set, and then Husky Shallow, which I got for Christmas from my girlfriend. So yeah, so these are new. Really happy about those. And I have Phillips head and flathead screwdrivers here. These are kind of just my random ones that don't get used very often. I have the fast orange here, some markers, then my Anchor portable speaker here. It bumps pretty good for this small space, so yeah, always it's just an awesome speaker, really good for the size garage that I have. So when I'm working on stuff, can crank some tunes. Right here we have a 3/8 breaker bar. I forget the size of it, but it works really well. I need a 1/2-inch breaker bar as well, so down the road. But this is Pittsburgh. I have a spark plug socket here, extension, magnetic or whatever. 1/2-inch Pittsburgh ratchet, 3/8 Pittsburgh ratchet. 3/8 ratchet. I don't even know what the brand is there. A 1/4 inch and then another 1/4 inch. So those are my ratchets there. Just kind of miscellaneous sockets here. This is kind of cool. Well, it's a 1/2-inch adapter, so you can put this on a breaker bar and it makes it ratcheting, which is kind of cool. Here, these are all flatheads up to here, and then these are all Phillips head screwdrivers. Just random ones, Stanley, hand-me-down stuff, all different brands there, nothing fancy. Here I have a Pittsburgh E-Socket Set. This was a must for when you do the high pressure fuel pump internals on the Speed. You need these sockets, so just went to Harbor Freight and got them. This is just a random metric and SAE deep well socket set with an extension there, a mask just in case I'm working on something that's dusty or whatever. I can throw that on. Safety glasses, because that's a must. I always get shit in my eyes when I'm working on cars. So the outside of the box here, I have a bubble level. I have some of those magnetic tool trays that I got off Amazon. On the side here, I have, they didn't have the Us.general white one of the paper towel holder, so I had to get black, but it is what it is. Have some paper towels here. I guess we'll start getting into the drawers here. So the first drawer, we got, these are all like just my random open end wrenches here, metric, SAE, all different kind of stuff. Some old snap-ons here that were hand-me-downs, and then the rest is just kind of general stuff. All of my extensions, swivel adapters here, some of my drill bits, some more of my drill bits there, different bits for my Black & Decker drill that I have. This is 1/2-inch, 3/8, 1/4 inch, all that kind of stuff. And these are metric here. These are just random miscellaneous sockets. These are the adapters for sockets for your drill. These are different adapters from like 3/8 to 1/2-inch, and 1/2-inch to 3/8, and all that kind of stuff. So that's that drawer. We'll go to this one next. This is all miscellaneous stuff. I have a multimeter here. I got this for Christmas, so that's gonna be nice. I don't do a lot of electrical work at all, but it's just very handy to have. I have a spark plug gapping tool there, some just random stuff, oil filter tool, some clamps, you know, flashlights, magnetic pickup tool there, some like punches, box cutter, the Cork Sport high pressure fuel pump tool thing there, some scissors, box cutters, interior panel tools there, the pick set from Harbor Freight, tape measures, just kind of random miscellaneous stuff here, some crimping tools, center tools, the plastic clip tools. So that's that drawer. We'll go to this one next. These are all of my pliers. So these are my favorite Nip-X Cobras. Shout out to Taylor Ray for this. These are amazing. They're channel locks. Another pair of channel locks, Stanley channel locks. Crimping tool here. Bunch of different needle nose pliers. You can never have enough. Flush cut pliers. These are really nice if you're doing like wiring, or if you're cutting zip ties. It cuts them flush so you don't cut your hand on them. This is a set of Hex Keys, which is really nice. They're like the individual ones like this. More just random pliers there. Spanner wrenches for my coilovers. Vice grips here. Aluminum shears, that kind of stuff. Like I said, really basic, but everything that I have, it gets the job done. Here, this is a very inexpensive set of open-end wrenches with the flex head ratcheting wrenches. These are from Amazon. It's 8 mil all the way up to, I think it's 19? Yeah, 19 millimeter. Hex set and torque set. This is like a hyper tough combination SAE and metric open-end wrench. Just if I need some beaters or whatever, I go to those, but still room in there. But my final drawer here of the cart, I have my power tools. This is brand new. I got this for Christmas. This is a 1/2" big impact, Milwaukee impact. Here's the stubby Milwaukee impact, 1/2" as well. 3/8 electric ratchet, and my Black & Decker grill, or Black & Decker drill. I'm eventually gonna get the Milwaukee drill and driver set, but that's down the road, the M12 one. And this is pretty much all you need for, you know, basic working on cars. You know, big impact, stubby impact, and electric ratchet. I mean, there's definitely other tools, but for beginning, this is perfect. Random boxes and more paper towels and that kind of stuff down there. Milwaukee M12 charger there. This is some detailing stuff, hose, and just random detailing stuff. This was, I got inherited from my great grandpa. This was one of his toolboxes. It had random stuff, and it's still got some stuff in there. Some more random boxes that have odds and ends in them. These are nice. These are 2 sets of the plastic clips that always break, so it's nice to have some on hand. Have some of my mechanics gloves there and that kind of stuff. Then more detailing stuff on this end of the garage. It's kind of a mess, but an organized mess. Got some oil there, and all of my fluids and stuff is there, but paint and that kind of stuff. Hose clamps there. But I guess we'll move on to the table. This is a butcher block countertop workbench. I got this from a guy on Facebook Marketplace. Got a crazy good deal, $50. I forget the size on it, but it's the perfect size for this small garage, so I was really happy with that. I got a Husky light here. This is pretty badass, super small, super compact. It's always good to have some extra light. Got that for Christmas. Got gloves here, more gloves here, old spark plugs there. This is just some water with a little bit of soap in it. Rags here. Also have a bunch more of those rags there. Really handy to have. I got this for Christmas as well recently. Just a bench grinder. This will be kind of fun to have. I'm gonna end up probably putting like a polishing wheel on the one side, but yeah, it's got a light here and everything. Here I got this for Christmas as well. I was spoiled for this this Christmas. This is a Milwaukee tire inflator, M12, and then here's the charging station for M18 and M12. And then I got a vise as well. This is gonna come in really handy. I needed a vise really bad. That's why I bought the table. I needed something to mount a vise to. So yeah, that's Tecton. I don't know. I have quite a bit of their tools. Most of it is pretty good quality stuff. We'll see how this vise handles the work that I'm going to be doing, but again, I don't do anything crazy. This is not a fab shop or anything like that, so you know, it's going to be pretty light work, but it's always good to have a vise. Down here we have just the stool that everybody has from Harbor Freight. I have the bag for my Milwaukee Impact, just some wire brushes down there, some towels. This is a fan. I use that in the summer when it's super hot in here. This is just my like nuts, washers, and bolts kind of stuff here. So I got this recently as well to organize all of that kind of crap. I have random like hoses and stuff in there, and yeah, I got my jack and jack stands, my summer tires or summer wheels for my winter beater, my Mazda 3 that's outside currently. That's all just spare parts and whatnot. Oil drain pan, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. It's super basic. You do not need anything crazy to start working on cars. I'm a beginner at this, learning the ropes. Luckily, I have friends that are a lot more knowledgeable and just have been learning, so definitely don't feel like you need to spend $1 million on snap-on tools and all that stuff. Just, you know, basic stuff, save up, and, you know, get tools here and there, and you'll start to accumulate all the tools that you need for the jobs. This is a noob, novice to mechanic over here, so yeah, just all the basic stuff, nothing fancy. Milwaukee stuff, that's expensive, it's pretty fancy, but electric tools, it makes working on cars 1,000 times easier. So anyways, guys, that's gonna be it, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy, stay safe, and peace out.